everyone! Welcome to my channel. Matagal din ako hindi nakapag-vlog kasi minamalas ako sa memory card sa action camera ko. Kasi palagi may virus, so dito na lang ako magbablog dito sa phone ko, which is my Sony Xperia M2. So today I'm gonna introduce this soap na nirecommend ng kaibigan ko lately kasi napansin niya may pimples dito sa face ko. As you can see here in my chin, dito at sa noo ko. So ito, binigyan ako nito ng oxygen bar, and it says anti-aging and whitening, and it's 100% natural and formulated and tested sa Japan, and it's halal. So pwedeng gamitin ito ng mga kababayan nating Muslim, and it has details here na it's a 100% no harmful chemicals, no BHT, no parabens, no sulfates, and no formaldehyde. And also with clinically tested omega light technology and bio anti-age, luminate, derma complex, liquid oxygen, and its luminate skin, eliminates dark spot, prevents hyperpigmentation, deeply moisturizes, improves skin elasticity, prevents wrinkles, and skin rejuvenation. So, tingnan natin yung kabila. And this is how to use. So, first, massage gently into wet skin to create a luxurious moisturizing lather. Wash off thoroughly for use on face and body. So, napansin ko dito, medyo nag-lighten yung skin ko dito. Ay, medyo napa-flatten niya yung mga pimples ko. So, magtatatlong araw na siguro nung gumamit ako nito. So, napansin ko, mas maganda pala ito at it's cost 200 pesos dito sa Pilipinas. So, sa next video ko, papanoorin natin yung video kung paano ako maghilamos gamit nito. So, hinati ko ito into 2 parts para makasulit naman. So, try natin tingnan yung video ko. Nakita nyo na guys, napansin nyo madali siyang bumula at pagkatapos kong gumamit, naging smooth at fresh yung skin ko. So hanggang dito na lang guys, salamat sa panonood, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and like to this vlog. Bye!